Okay, so once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 3. And today we will be learning about pictographs and data analysis. So for this, we have these objectives. First, you must know how to read data from pictographs, or let's say pictogram. When you were in grade 1 and grade 2, you learned pictogram. And then second one, you must know how to collect data about pupils and their environment or surrounding in daily life, and then you will classify the collected data. Okay, and the last one here, you must know how to read data from bar graphs. So we will be reading also bar graphs in this chapter 14. So pictographs and data analysis. So first question here, what is data? And what is collecting data? And what is classifying data? Okay, what is classifying data? So when we say what is data, question, what is data? So if you will ask, so you can say it here that data is a collection of facts. And what is collecting data? It is a process of gathering and measuring information. Later, we will do it later, how to collect data. And then how to classify data. Classifying data means you will arrange or you will group the collected data. Let's say, for example, in grade 3/3, how many students likes to eat, let's say, for example, about food. So we will say the food that you have there is, let's say, ice cream, you have burger, ice cream, burger, and potato chips. So in grade 3/3, how many students likes to eat burger? So maybe there are 5. How many students likes to eat banana? How many students likes to eat potato chips? So after you collect that one, you will classify. Okay, just like there in your book. Now let's say, for example, here, as you can see here, Janet wants to find out how many types of trees can be found in the orchard. Okay, this is the orchard here. Okay, this is the orchard. So she goes to the orchard and counts the number of each types of trees. Then she classifies the collected data in the form of table. So Janet used the table to collect the data. So here, the table, the number of trees of each type and found in the orchard. First, we have here the mango tree. We have jackfruit tree, apple tree, rambutan tree, and papaya tree. So these are the trees in the orchard. So in her data, she found out that there are 7 mango trees, and there are 4 jackfruit trees and 10 apple trees, and then there are 2 rambutan tree and 14 papaya tree. So here, there's another way of collecting and classifying of data is by carrying out a survey. So you can use a survey. You can ask your friends, Nana, what fruit have you seen, or what trees have you found in the orchard, something like that. So Nana will say, there are 7 apple trees. And then we'll go to another student. Let's say, for example, guide, how many papaya trees? So guide will say there are 14 papayas, so something like that. So you can use a question, but if you use questions, it takes time. Let's say, for example, if there are so many people to ask, so it's easy if you will just create the questions. Say, for example, how many mango trees are there in the orchard? And then how many jackfruits are there in the orchard? How many rambutans? How many apple trees? How many papaya trees? And then just give the questionnaires. Say, like that. So step number 2, asking the question. After you make the question, you ask the question. How many mango trees are there in the orchard? So something like that. So we say, there are 7 mango trees in the orchard. How many jackfruits are there in the orchard? There are 4 jackfruit trees in the orchard. How about the rambutan trees? There are 2 rambutan trees in the orchard. So something like that. You can ask question to your friends or to the people in that can count the number of trees in the orchard. Now here, classifying. This is the step number 3 that I told you a while ago. So this one, you can see the different fruits, right? You can see the different fruits here. Let's say, for example, mango tree. How many mango trees are here? So these fruits, it represents the number of trees. Number of trees. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes. That means there are 7 mango trees. Here, jackfruit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 jackfruit trees. Same thing in apples. You will just count the number of apples here. So that's how to group or to classify the number of trees. Let's say, for example, or in papaya, if you will count here, there are 14 papayas. So that means there are 14 papaya trees. Here you can see 2 rambutan or fruit here. So that means there are 2 rambutan trees. Okay. So each fruit represents 1 tree of its kind. Okay. 1 tree of its kind. Now here, in your book number 1, you will classify, okay? In your class, for example, 3/1, and then 3/2, we cannot combine. So maybe later I will give you the like a poll so that your classmate can make like, okay, we have bicycle, we have car, we have motorcycle. Okay, so in your class, you will find out the number of students who have this following. For example, Minnie, she has a bicycle, she has a car, she has a motorcycle. So if Minnie likes, Minnie has only a bicycle, so Minnie will say, okay, we have bicycle only. So right here, number 1. Okay, example here, let me write here. Has a bicycle right here. Okay, in Patum 3/1, there are, how many students are there in Patum 3/1? There are a lot, right? So let's say, for example, there are 5 has a bicycles. Okay, so there are 5 has a bicycle right here. 5. Moment. Okay, for example here, 5. The color is doesn't work here. For example here, okay, here we go. For example, 5. So right here, 5 has a bicycles. Okay, 5. Only cars. When you say only cars, no bicycles, no motorcycle. This is only an example. Do not copy this one. We will make a poll later how to do it. Okay, and then only motorcycles. Let's say there are 10. There are 10 has a motorcycle. I mean cars. Let's say cars. Most of the students has a car. So let's say here 19. Example 19. How about motorcycle only? Motorcycle. Say for example, motorcycle has 10. Okay, so that's it. But if your classmate has all, your classmate has a bicycle, a car, motorcycle. So you're right here. How many students are there in grade 3? 3/1. You see, for example, there are 40 students. So right here, all of them, all of the above, 40 students has it. Because we are looking for the number of students who have these things, have these followings. If your classmate has both bicycles and motorcycles only, how many students have motorcycles and bicycles? So there are 6 students. Okay, 6 students has both bicycles and motorcycles. Both bicycles and cars, no motorcycle. Let's say, for example, there are bicycles and cars. Let's say here 31. 31. So both cars and motorcycle. Here for in letter F is both bicycles and cars. In letter G, both cars and motorcycles. Let's say, for example, there are 3. Okay. There are 3 because they have only bicycles and motorcycles, bicycles and cars, and then cars and motorcycles, something like that. Okay. So let me erase this one first, and we will proceed to the second one. Okay, this will be your homework later, don't worry. Okay, here, number 2, you will find out and classify the colors your friends like. For example, okay, for example, how many students likes color pink? How many students likes color pink? So you say here, there are 10 students likes color pink. 10 students likes color pink. So right here, 10. How many students like color red? Let's say, for example, only 9. Okay, there are only 9. How many students like color green? You say 15. Color blue, 17. Okay, color blue, say 17. Why I cannot write now? A moment. Let me write here. Okay, 17. Oh, I cannot write. I don't know what happened. It's okay. So in here, you will just count the number of your classmates who likes pink, likes color red, likes color green, likes color blue, color black, yellow, and orange, something like that. Okay, so you will just write it there. So this is only an example. This is only an example. Now let's proceed to number 3. Okay, number 3. Don't copy this one because it's only an example. Number 3. Number 3 is on page 206. 206. Okay, 206. In number 3, it says here. Okay, in number 3, it says here that collect the data on the number of students in each grade in your school, and then fill in the table here. Let's say, for example, grade 1. How many students in grade 1? So you write, let's say, for example, in grade 1, there are 300 students. So right here, 300 students. In grade 2, how many students in grade 2? Maybe 350. Grade 3, how many students? Grade 3, we say each level, okay, each grade level. Like grade 1 /1 /2 /3 /4 /5 6 7 sections in grade 1. So you add all the students in grade 1, and then you write the number of students here. So there are, let's say, 307 students. Don't worry, in number 3. In number 3, I can help you. Okay, in number 3, I can help you. I will send to you the number of students in grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, and grade 5. In grade 4, I don't have that copy of students. So only grade 4, you will find the number of students in grade 4. Or we can ask the teachers, okay? Now that's for number 3. So just add all the students in grade 1. Grade 1 /1 up to /7. In grade 2, grade 2 /1 up to grade 2 /8. In grade 3, 3 /1 to 3 /8. So same in the other class, all levels. Okay, I mean all sections. Now in number 4 here, in number 4, you will collect the data on your classmates' favorite subject. What is the favorite subject of your classmates? Okay, so let's say, for example, we put here English, mathematics, science, physical education, and computer class. So you tell your classmate to choose only one. Okay, we say favorite, only one, choose only one. Okay, you ask your classmate, for example, in 3 /1. Okay, in 3 /1. So I will make a poll, and then your classmate will just choose here, I like English, I like mathematics. So only one, your classmate will choose only one. Okay, I will send it to you later, this one, the homework. And then in English, in mathematics, maybe Pasatorn likes mathematics, so Pasatorn number 1. Sakwarit like mathematics, so there are 2. Jidapa likes mathematics, so there are 3. Premchon like mathematics, so there are 4, something like that. Okay. Later I will make a poll and then I will send it to you, and then your classmate will just fill in, and so that you can answer your homework in number 4. Okay. So this is only an example. You can change this one. Okay, you can change this one. For example, here English, math, science, physical education, and computer class. You can write here. You can write here music instead of computer class. You can change it into music, or instead of physical education, you can change it into Thai subject. Okay, Thai. Or history, okay, history, or let's say what are the subject that you have? For example, health, okay, science and health. You can change. You can make any subject that you want to put here, and then you will just ask your classmate. Okay. So next, let's proceed to number 5 first. Let us answer number 5. Okay. Now, number 5, I will help you in number 5. Okay, number 5 here. Now, in number 5, look at the picture in the left side. Okay, can you see the picture there? Now, in the picture, it says here that count and classify the number of each type of animal in the zoo. Let's say, for example, this is the animals in the zoo. We have the lions, tigers, monkey, elephant, giraffe, birds, and hippopotamus. Okay. Now, let us count the number of lions. Let us count the number of lions. How many lions are here? How many lions? Anyone? Who can answer? How many lions? How many lions? Ion, how many lions are there, Ion?
2.
2. So we'll just write here 2. Okay. So we will write here 2 because there are 2 lions right here. 2. Okay. Next. Sorry, let me write here number 2 here. Write here number 2. Next, how many tigers? How many tigers? How many tigers? Pasatorn, how many tigers are there? Can you count the number of tigers?
Tiger. 3.
Tiger.
4. 4.
Count the tigers. Count the tigers.
5.
5? Okay. So here in lion there are 2. In tigers, you have to be careful in counting the number of animals. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you are correct. So there are 5. How about the monkeys? How many monkeys? How many monkeys? Anyone? Nacha, how many monkeys?
10 monkeys.
10 monkeys. Okay, thank you. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 monkeys. Okay, very good. Why is already the elephant? The elephant appeared already. How many elephants? It's very easy. It's very visible elephants here. So there are 3 elephants. Next, giraffe. How many giraffes? Prim.
7.
7 giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is correct. Very good. Next, Kongkwan. How many birds are there? Kongkwan.
There are 9 birds.
There are 9 birds. Very good. Thank you. How about Buing? How many hippopotamus?
6.
6 hippopotamus. So let's write here number 6. That's it. So therefore, there are in the zoo, there are 2 lions, 5 tigers, 10 monkeys, 3 elephants, and then 7 giraffes, 9 birds, and 6 hippopotamus. Okay, it's very easy. So you can do like that also in in the in your homework in number 4. Okay, homework number 4, for example, how many students like color pink? So you write here. How many students like color black? So just write it there. Okay, that's in number 4. Now let's proceed in number. We are now in number 6, 208. Okay, 208. Everybody, 208. Finish here already, right? Now we are in on page 208. Now in 208, you will count and then you will classify the number of toys in the shop. So these are the toys that you can see in the shop. So we have there the Jeep, we have there the cars, we have there the bus, the drum, doll, and teddy bear. Okay, teddy bear. Okay, go. I will give you 1 minute only. 1 minute to answer this one, the number of toys. Okay, go. 1 minute only. There are 4 bus. Very good, John. Thank you. Let's go back in 3/3. 3/3. Okay, 3/3. Who is a student from 3/3 here? Porsche. How many drums? There are. How many drums?
12.
There are 12 drums.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let us try to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 drums. Now 3/2. Student from 3/2. Fasai. Fasai. How many dolls are there, Fasai? There are
15.
16. Let us count it all together.
No,
Ready?
15.
15. Okay, let's count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. 15. Thank you. Now in 3/1. 3/1. iPhone. Oh, iPhone.
I hear the thunder.
You heard the thunder.
Yes.
Okay, tell me your answer, please.
There are 9 teddy bears.
There are 9 thunder.
Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Okay, thank you. There are 9 teddy bears, not thunder. Thank you. Sorry for those students who are able to call because we have only few questions here. But don't worry, in our next activities, I'm gonna call you. Okay, so there are 9 teddy bear. Thank you, iPhone. Now, for your homework, okay, for your homework, I will make a poll and then you will fill in there. Okay, if you are in 3/1, just fill in 3/1. Okay, so that you can answer your homework. From there are 4 homeworks, right? Okay, so here for your homework, answer pages 205 and 206. In 205 is about collecting and classifying data. Okay, so in number 1, in your class, find out the number of students who have the following: the bicycles, cars, motorcycles, or all of them. Okay, and then number 2, find out and classify the colors your friends like. So what color does your friends like? So maybe your friends like color pink, color green. I will send it to you later, okay? And then number 3, collect the data on the number of students. Number 3 is on page 206. Okay, so grade 1 to grade 5. Let's say, for example, grade 1 to grade 5 only. Okay, so collect the data of the number of students in each grade. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and grade 5. Okay, in your school, at Prichanusa school. Okay, Prichanusa school. And number 4, collect the data on your classmates' favorite subject. Okay, favorite subjects. A while ago, I wrote there the subjects. I will send it to you later. Okay, you can copy and you can follow that one. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for listening. I will just send to you the poll so that you can answer your homework. Now, homework 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so God bless everyone. See you next Monday. Okay, and next week. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
See you on Monday.
teacher.
See you on Monday. Goodbye, everybody. Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.